Hey YouTube, welcome back. Today we continue our series in system design videos, and today we are going to talk about the discovery, the service discovery. Today will be our first video in the deep dive section. So let's just make this white, and because we are here, and we will talk about the service discovery. It will be a quick video, it will not be that long, because service discovery is not, it will not be that big topic. It is a huge topic, but in terms of system design, you don't have to know everything in details. So right now our system has a lot of services and a lot of servers working with each other. So in the system design, in the system design, like, we have a lot of services and servers, and maybe some of them could like fail over, maybe some of them we can connect with. So how we can address these issues, like how we can know which services are not working, so we'll not send to them any requests anymore. So this is where service discovery comes in play. So service discovery is a mechanism in distributed in computing that enables services or applications to locate and communicate with each other in dynamic and often cloud-based environments. In modern distributed system where services can be deployed and scaled independently, service discovery plays a crucial role in ensuring that services can interact seamlessly regardless of their location or number of instances. So why we need them? First of all, we have dynamic environments. In cloud-based and controlled environments, services can be created, scaled, move out, or terminated dynamically. Static configurations become impractical, and services need a way to locate each other as they come and go. We have the other thing, it's load balancing to distribute incoming traffic evenly across multiple instances of service. Load balancers need to know the available instances. Service discovery provides this information. Also, we have the failover and redundancy. If a service instance fails, a new instance needs to be located quickly. Service discovery helps to in detecting failures and replacing failed instances. It's also in scaling, as a services scaling horizontally, adding more instances. The discovery mechanism needs to know about these new instances to route requests to them efficiently. We have the service dependency. Also, we have dynamic IP address. So in cloud environment, IP addresses can change due to auto scaling or other factors. Service discovery abstract the need for knowing exact IP address. So let's just try to, now we know what is the service discovery, we know what we need them, but let's just try to make us to know how the system will look like with the service discovery, or where the service discovery works. So we have a user. I want to make it white, and the border also I want to make it white. So we have a user. I just make this user quite big. Okay. So this user, as we said before, connect with, let's just, I don't like this type of, first of all, I don't like the color. Second of all, I don't like it like that. Yeah, okay. So it will, okay. So we have yeah, I like it like that. So we have here and an element. Let's just add this one. So the user will connect it on. Let's just make sure. Okay. So the user here will connect with the chat server. Make it white, please. White with the chat server. And we have also the user will connect with the services that are responsible for to get login authentication, get users information and stuff like that. And this is the where the service discovery will come into play. So let's just create another one. Okay. And it will be, we have a load balancing, load balancer, and can I make it like that? And to just be in aligned and okay. Sometimes I love what Miro's doing. I'm using Miro board, by the way. If you wanna use it, it's the best actually. And this is not sponsored. They not sponsor me. I'm really small channel. I hope they sponsor me, but they are not right now. But anyway, this is Miro board, and it's the best. It's a really good one. I don't find any board better than this. I have done interviews with it. It sounds like I'm doing it for them, but I'm not. They are just the best. That's it. So we have here the load balancer. So as we said that the load balancer will connect with web servers. Okay. Web servers. And why it is small? Okay. And the web servers, let's just make it white again. I guess I should just make some standard settings, because I don't want to like to change the colors all the time, because that wastes time. So the web servers will usually, what happens is that they connect with the services. So let's say that we have maybe a chat server, or maybe authentication server, but let's just work about the chat server. Or maybe we have let's just assume we have a chat server. Maybe we have another authentication service. We have here one auth for authentication. No, we don't. The authentication is doing by the load balancer. Maybe we have a profile. Okay, let's just assume it's also a chat server 2, and the chat server. Can I copy this one, because I'd love to copy it. Okay, so let's see, we have a chat server 3 and 4 and 5, and all of them should be aligned with each other. Let's put them aligned. And yeah, can I make it smaller? Yes, if I make it smaller, it will be better for us to align them and look at them. Yeah. And okay, I didn't make it in. Okay. And okay, so also we have this one, and we have this one. So if you can see here, what's happening is that the web servers is just trying to connect with all these chat services, and whenever one of them is failed, we will get to a problem that, okay, we don't know how to fix it, because let's say that this one went down. Like, for example, let me just take it. Let's say that this one, again, I want the color to be red. So let's say this one went down. Okay. What we can do with that, how we can solve this problem, how we cannot send to this service at all. So what we can use, we use a service discovery, and we can use something called Apache Zookeeper. And this one is one of the most popular open source solutions for service discovery. It registers all the available chat servers here and picks the best chat server for the client based on its predefined critical. So yeah, in the beginning of the video I said that this will be the chat server and this will be for login. This was wrong. I don't know why I said that. Maybe I wasn't focused. So what will happen right now is that instead of the web servers just work directly with the chat servers and just try to send it requests, what will happen that let's just make these things down, okay, and just make them like in the grid or something, yeah, like that, and I'm just trying to align them. Okay, and make I want to make 3 instead of 5, and it will be 4 here also, and yeah, it looks so good like that. So let's just delete all these things, and we will wrap them in one big and can I make it dot or something like that? I guess there's a way to make it dot, but let's just, no need for it. And I will add this will be Zookeeper service discovery. Zookeeper. And the web server will connect to it directly. So what's going on, or how it will work? So a user tries to log in into the app, okay, from the load balancer. The second the load balancer sends the login request to the API servers, okay. After the backend authenticate the user, the service discovery find the best chat server for the user A. In this example that you have here, we could take like chat servers 2 or chat servers 1. It doesn't matter. User A connects to the chat server through a WebSocket. That's it. So a user tries to log in, so in the load balancer, and after logging in, the load balancer will send the request. Sometimes actually the login becomes in something called API gateway. So maybe it will not even go with the web servers, but it's for other discussion. So the load balancer will log in the user. After the web servers will take the request to try to log in the user, and after that the service discovery Zookeeper will try to find the best chat server, the best server for the user. It depends on his location and his preferences and stuff like that. So by this way that we make sure the user all the time will find the server to connect to. So if the user is connected to the server and the server failed for some reason, the Zookeeper will change the load balancer, and the Zookeeper will change the connection to be to different server. So that makes sure the Zookeeper makes sure that we are not connecting with a server that is actually is down. So yeah, so that's it for this video. I hope my description is quite good. If you like my content, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss a video, and see you in future problems.